Netflix usually gives you suggestions based on what you watched before. If you have watched something you don't want to get suggestions for similar content, you can remove it from your watch history. Now, many people ask how they can remove the watch history from the mobile app as there is no option. In this video, we will show you how you can remove the watch history from iPad, iPhone or any mobile device easily. You have to keep in mind you can't do the process from the mobile app. Now to do the process, open a browser of your choice, go to Netflix. If you are not already logged in, you have to log in. Now tap on your profile picture, tap account. Now scroll down, tap on your profile, tap viewing activity and you will be able to see your watch history. If you can't find all of them here, tap show more. Now tap on this sign and it will be removed from your watch history. You can delete multiple items this way. Now your history will be deleted within 24 hours. You won't get any recommendation based on it unless you watch it again. This is the way you can easily delete the watch history of Netflix from iPad, iPhone or any mobile device easily. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.